Hello, YouTube family. This is Kim at BIMI 2014, and I wanted to come on here Sunday afternoon in this Arizona heat and share some tidbits of information that I feel might be of benefit to someone out there. All right, this has to do with having authorization when you're taking care of your loved one who has dementia. So we're going to go through, I have 4 documents that you need to have in place. There might be 5. If there is another one, I will let you know. But we'll start with these. Okay, the first one is your durable POA. And you get the durable because if you get this now and say they don't have dementia, they're older, but and they get dementia and become incapacitated to sign documents, the durable POA is still good. So you want to get a durable POA for financial because you want to be able to manage their finances, the bank, making payments on bills, what have you. When I was taking care of my father, I even had to continue to pay his alimony to his ex-wife. So durable POA financial. The second one is your durable POA healthcare. So that allows you the ability to make decisions that your loved one can't regarding their health. When I tell you I became my dad's, I'm sorry, that's my neighbor's dog. I became my dad's healthcare professional in the sense of taking him to all his appointments, having conversations with his doctors, primary care, his Alzheimer's doctor, cardiologist, podiatrist, the list goes on. Okay, I'm gonna talk fast because the dog is outside and she likes to bark. Okay, the third thing is a living will advance directive, and this basically the person can specify what their wishes are in case they become incapacitated. If they do or don't want a feeding tube, if they do or don't want to be resuscitated, those kind of things. So you want to have that in place. The fourth thing is the HIPAA authorization. This gives you access to his medical records. HIPAA, as most of you know, is very strict, and they're very strict on who has access to their medical records. So if you have that in place, then you won't have a problem getting that information from whatever medical entity you're dealing with. All right. To seek out help with getting this paperwork done, you can always seek out the help of an elder law attorney. Some of these documents you can do yourself. If you feel that you're capable of doing that, you can walk through the things, because I think you can find POA templates online. If not, and you have the means financially, hire an elder law attorney, and they can walk you through everything and make sure you have all your documents, and so that you're ready ahead of time. When my father was diagnosed, he had already been declared mentally incompetent with his dementia, and so I could not get these documents signed by him. So I had to go to court to become court-appointed conservator and guardian. And it's a lot of paperwork. It's a process. I can't tell you how many times I was in and out of court for different things. And the one thing that really was an issue for me is the accounting. I'm not good with numbers. Math was not my subject. And while, I can figure out basic math, right? When you have to present the accounting to the court, it has to match down to the penny. You can't be a penny off, 5 cents here, 10, because that was my problem. 5 cents here, 10 cents here, 25 cents here. They will kick out that accounting submission and tell you need to do it again. Now, can you imagine having that stress while you're trying to manage the care for the loved one? Nobody wants to deal with that. So please try to get this paperwork in place so that you don't have to go through the courts. The court is very strict. They're very strict with the management of the money. And while it worked out for me, that's, it gave me access to all of these things I just told you about, but there's a lot of paperwork involved and filing. And tell you a quick story. My father had an episode, and his care staff, the group home owner, wanted me to take him to. She kept wanting to change his meds and a lot of different things. I got a little bit scatterbrained right now because just so much went on when I was taking care of my father. However, my father had an episode where I ended up having to take him to ER. In ER, the psych nurse uh, decided that he needed his meds adjustment, which meant he had to go to geriatric psych for several days to have that happen. They asked me, did I have a mental health power of attorney, which I did not. So I literally had to leave my father in ER and drive to the courthouse to fill out this paperwork and submit it and try to get the judge to sign on it the same day. Thank God I was able to get it done, but it was a headache. My father was in a situation, and I had to leave him alone in the hospital under the care of the staff there to go to court. And so this is why one reason why I'm sharing having these durable power of attorneys in place beforehand. All right, so if you have any questions, I'm not a professional in this area at all. I'm just sharing my experiences, and you can reach out to the Alzheimer's Association. You can talk to your primary care doctor or somebody in the medical field. You can Google it, because I believe these POA documents are templates that you can download and fill out yourself. So I hope this helps somebody. If you're in this beginning stage of process with your loved one with dementia, or your parents are aging and they're showing signs. All right, so we want to be proactive and get these papers in our possession so that we don't have a bunch of issues on top of having to take care of our loved one. All right, that is all for today, I think. I will continue to share my stories, my journey. Again, this is Kim from @Bimmy2014. And for those of you who didn't watch my first or second video, Bimmy2014, Bimmy is the nickname my father gave me, and 2014 is the year he passed away. All right, so I'm excited about this channel and where it takes me and where it takes you. Hopefully, I'm here to help someone not have to go through what I went through. And then also, if I can answer questions or help in any way, I would love to do that. Definitely put in the comments, but like and subscribe. And thank you today for clicking on my video. Again, happy Sunday afternoon, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!